In the ever-evolving world of technology, a question often arises: what does the future hold for programming languages? This question is more pertinent now than ever, given the explosive growth of digital technology in the past few years. The curiosity surrounding the potential impact of programming languages on the future of technology is palpable, so we decided to dive deep into this fascinating topic. What's interesting about programming languages is their inherent capability to create, to shape, and to transform. They are the architects of the digital landscape, the tools that breathe life into our virtual world. With the multitude of languages at our disposal, Python, Java, C++, and countless others, it's intriguing to consider how they may shape the digital landscape of the future. Will they pave the way for more complex and intricate systems? Will they simplify the complex, making technology more accessible to the masses? Or perhaps they'll lead to new innovations that we can't even fathom right now. As we analyze, speculate, and hypothesize, one thing is clear: programming languages will significantly influence the digital age. Dive with us into an exploration of the potential future impact of various programming languages. Firstly, let's delve into Python, the programming world's current darling. This language, noted for its straightforwardness and readability, allows us to devise intricate systems with incredible ease. Python is a versatile tool with capabilities extending to diverse domains. Its impact on machine learning and data analysis is widely recognized, as seen in numerous practical applications. For instance, the language is the driving force behind scikit-learn, a machine learning library used widely for predictive data analysis, serves as the basis for innovative algorithms, which were instrumental in creating Netflix's advanced recommendation system. From building artificial intelligence models to complex data science projects, Python stands out with its simplicity and power. Nevertheless, it's not all rosy for Python. The programming language has its share of disadvantages. One such drawback that hinders its universal adoption in specific sectors is its performance speed. Compared to other languages, Python runs slower, which could limit its widespread use. Despite its myriad advantages, Python's performance speed, which is slower compared to other languages, could restrict its universal adoption in certain sectors. In stark contrast, Java, an old stalwart, has consistently demonstrated its resilience over time. An ancient language that's still here, it has continued to hold its relevance. Its core philosophy of write once, run anywhere grants it unparalleled flexibility. This principle of Java finds its most illustrative examples in enterprise-level applications that are in the modern world. For example, globally recognized corporations like LinkedIn, Netflix, and Uber rely heavily on the power of Java for their back-end architecture. Moreover, Java's importance in the Android development sphere is undeniable. It's the backbone of countless Android apps that we encounter daily. While it might not be as easy to learn or beginner-friendly as Python, Java's robustness, speed, and scalability compensate for this gap, especially in more complex and demanding applications that require robust architecture and quick response times. However, despite its proven resilience, the advent of modern languages with more streamlined syntax might pose a threat to its. Next up is JavaScript, a language that has taken the web development world by storm. This dynamic script language has become a cornerstone in the digital world, with an array of features that make it a top language choice for developers. Its versatility allows it to run on both the client and server side, which gives it a unique advantage in web development. This multifaceted language is employed in various aspects of web development, from powering user interfaces to enabling back-end development. Libraries like React or Angular use JavaScript to create interactive and engaging online. Additionally, JavaScript aids in facilitating real-time communication with WebSockets, further increasing its relevance and utility. JavaScript's influence is massive, but it's not without competition. With the emergence of WebAssembly and efficient low-level bytecode, JavaScript's stronghold in the web arena might face challenges. However, with a rapidly changing ecosystem and the emergence of WebAssembly and efficient low-level bytecode, JavaScript's monopoly in the web space might face some competition. Swift, on the other hand, is a language that's been rising in popularity, especially in the field of iOS app development. It is a language that has been embraced by industry giants and venture-based startups alike. Its rise can be attributed to a number of factors such as faster development times, improved performance, and above all, a simpler and more intuitive syntax. This language has been instrumental in the creation of some of the most popular apps in the world today. Renowned applications such as Airbnb, LinkedIn, and Uber have all leveraged the power of Swift. The language's high-performance characteristics and built-in safety features have made it a favorite among developers. Moreover, the increasing reliance on mobile applications and the burgeoning demand for new and innovative apps guarantee Swift's continued relevance. Countless apps like Lyft and Khan Academy, specifically designed using Swift, are continuously pushing its popularity. However, its use primarily encapsulated within Apple ecosystems might place a cap on its widespread adoption. Finally, we introduce Rust, a rapidly emerging favorite among system programming languages. Two prominent instances of Rust's application in system programming are at the heart of Firefox Quantum and Dropbox's file storage system, the core component, stylo, and the storage system respectively. Rust's uniqueness lies in its ability to offer memory safety without sacrificing the speed of execution, a feature that's hardly found in other languages. Rust's dynamism is further enhanced by its concurrency model that ensures thread safety, thus making it a reliable choice for creating robust and efficient systems. Regardless, Rust also fosters a focus on zero-cost abstractions, which means it attempts to provide high-level language features with no additional runtime cost. Regardless of its impressive capabilities, Rust is known for its steep learning curve, which could be a stumbling block for beginners. To summarize, Python's simplicity and easy-to-learn syntax make it a favorite among beginners and experts alike. Its ever-increasing popularity, particularly in rapidly evolving fields such as data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, justifies the claim that Python has a promising future ahead. Java, on the other hand, has been a consistent player in the programming world for decades. Its platform-independent nature, versatility, and robustness make it a go-to language for a wide variety of applications, ranging from web development to enterprise-level applications. Despite facing stiff competition from newer languages, Java's adaptability and continuous improvements keep it in the race. Next up is JavaScript, the undisputed king of web development. With its almost universal browser support, massive online community, and extensive libraries and frameworks, JavaScript continues to dominate the front-end development scene. The introduction of Node.js has even extended JavaScript's reach to server-side programming, further cementing its ubiquity in the realm of web technologies. Swift, Apple's own brainchild, has been making waves in mobile app development. Capitalizing on the popularity of iOS devices, Swift's clean syntax and performance efficiency have made it the preferred choice for iOS app developers. However, its usage is somewhat limited outside the Apple ecosystem, which hampers its overall adoption rate. Lastly, we have Rust, a language applauded for its safety and performance. Its unique features, such as zero-cost abstractions and guaranteed memory safety, have sparked interest among developers. However, Rust's steep learning curve and relative complexity might pose challenges to its mass adoption. In the grand scheme of things, it's not just about which programming language will reign supreme. The future of programming languages is about how each language evolves and adapts to the ever-changing needs and demands of the tech industry. As programmers, tech enthusiasts, and innovators, we should be excited to witness and partake in this digital evolution. And remember, regardless of the language you choose to code in, the true strength of programming lies not in the syntax or the language itself, but in the logic, problem-solving skills, and creativity of programmer. And that, dear listeners, is food for thought. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring,